everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Marble's credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.marbles.com and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Marbles. In order to log in and access your Marble credit card account, you need to go and log into your account first. Go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner for an existing account, and on the next page, go ahead and type in your username associated with your Marbles account. If you don't have an account yet, click on the register button at the top and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to register yourself first. Once you have an account, you can enter your credential anytime you want and you'll be able to log in and access to your credit card account. Type in your username in the username text box. If you don't remember your username, you can get help by clicking on the forgotten username link at the top and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to access your username back. After typing in your correct username, you can check little remember my username box if you'd like the system to remember your username for you, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device for your security. After you are done with the username, click the next button, and on the next page, you'll need to type in your password first. Make sure to type in the correct password and then click on the login button to access to your Marbles credit card online. After logging into your credit card account, you can easily make a payment online, manage your account anytime you want via your mobile device or your desktop. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.